My blood work was just showing different things that nobody had answers for, is basically what it was. I was diagnosed with cancer really young at 34. Well, no one tells you that you're gonna have hormones and estrogen that's gonna spike and decline as a woman until you hit menopause. And then when you hit menopause, you're gonna have these drastic effects that can cause a whole world of problems internally that you're not aware of. I was never told that. And so when you come here, they give you that lesson and teach you why you might not be feeling well is because I'm a little bit older now. It was 10 years ago, and my hormones might be doing something different than they were 10 years ago. And if you don't treat it, you're gonna have, estrogen-dependent cancer issues again. I had declines and spikes in different blood work numbers that everyone just says was normal. But for me, if you follow the trends of your blood work, it's not normal for you. So, but nobody has the answers because it's within, if your kidney function is within, 100,000 points, you're still normal. But if my kidney function has been right here for 6 months and all of a sudden it's down here, even though I'm within the normal, there's something wrong. Something happened, but nobody pays attention to it in the standard of care until it gets down here. And they're like, whoa, what's been going on with your kidneys? And all of a sudden it's too late, or you have something else going on. That's kind of what happened with my estrogen. It was normal, but it was doing this as normal. And then all of a sudden it was like up here, and I'm starting to feel fatigued. I'm starting to feel like I'm gaining weight. I'm starting to have the brain fog and all these issues that aren't supposed to happen. And they're like, oh, it's just fine. But given my history, no one was like, maybe we should look into that. And so I went on the adventure and was like, something's going wrong, something's happening. Do I need to remove my ovaries? What's happening? And that's the main reason why I'm here, is because of my hormones. A 15-minute consult turned into an hour and a half because he went through and he was very, very detailed and explicit in what his protocol was and what testing he was capable of performing. So that was an hour and a half. That was impressive too, that a doctor would take the time to make me feel comfortable, and an hour and a half of his time versus 15 minutes, and he didn't charge me for that. And then when I came here, I had already decided on what testing I wanted to do. So we came in, did the testing, and then he sent me home with a bunch of nutrients that I wasn't taking, and we swapped some things out just off of the basic blood work that I had already had. And then when I got that other blood work back, he changed some more things and added some more, we've switched things up a little bit. And now my blood work is showing that it's actually been effective. My kidneys are working better, my liver's functioning better, my calcium levels have dropped, my hair's grown in thicker, my eyelashes are growing in thicker, my nails have gone longer. So you know that what he's doing is working on the inside if it's already showing it on the outside. And you have no idea what an effect your food and nutrition and your supplement intake and your gut health has on your hormones, your mental health, your physical well-being, your strength, your energy. When they test, you know what works for you. So there's no guessing game, and they've done all the research for you. Those are the two biggest things, is that there's no guessing game and they've done all the research. I don't have to be behind my computer for hours studying the effects and then still wondering if it would work for me, because they know that. That's why I come here, is because I can send them my blood work. They can say, this is weird and it's been weird for 2 months. We're gonna wait 1 more month, and if it doesn't go back to normal, then we're gonna do this test, because it'll break it apart and tell us, if you're deficient in amino acids or if you have too many of something, and we can adjust it and play with it. After about 4 months of treatment, I have more energy. I'm sleeping better, and my blood work numbers are all starting to balance out.